welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you, and it's a Cyber Monday limited edition box, and it's the GLOSSYBOX All I Want box. It is absolutely stunning. Same design as their beautiful advent calendar, in gold and rose gold. It's just so pretty, so pretty. Today it's going on for sale is next Monday, the 26th of November. The cost of this box is £25 for subscribers, and subscribers get a chance to go online at 8 AM next Monday. So for non-subscribers, the box will cost you £30, and you can go online to purchase it from 12 noon on the Monday. Now, because it's only a one-day sale, it will end at 11:59 PM that night. They also did a Black Friday box of 10 items for £10. That sold out super quick that I couldn't even get one. Came available at midnight Thursday night. By 7:30 the following morning it is already out of stock. That's when I had a look, and I had no luck. So if this box is something that really takes your fancy, then my advice is to get in there quick, super quick, because they might all sell out. So if you're interested in subscribing to GLOSSYBOX, I should say this actually, they are currently now sold out for December, but if you want to take up the offer of this box for £5 cheaper, and you fancy having a GLOSSYBOX subscription for yourself, then I have got a code down below that will entitle you to money off. Plus it means that if you sign up now, you'll get a random box, so possibly a pass box in December, because the December ones are sold out. But then you will start getting normal boxes then, like myself and everyone else that already subscribes, from January onwards. So if you're interested in that will be down below as well. So inside every one of these boxes you get a Kat Von D voucher, and it says you're invited. Enjoy a complimentary makeup service with Kat Von D Beauty worth £35. To book, please visit one of our Kat Von D beauty counters in Debenhams and speak to a member of the team. Now this is available to use before the 31st of January in 2019. So this is what the box looks like. Super pretty. So we got our leaflets here, that massive palette. So I'll put this down to the side of me, and then I'll grab an item, pick it up, show you, and refer back to that leaflet. Ooh, there's a code here for 25% off your first box if you want to subscribe to GLOSSYBOX. The code I have is 20%, so now I'll pop that down below as well, because obviously that's a bit better, isn't it? But yeah, so it's just like a little promo card. And then we've got this card. So this card tells you everything you need to know about this box. It's got all the details, all the information, the prices, whether it's a sample, deluxe sample, full size. And yeah, there's loads. There is loads here. So what does it say here? You are one of the lucky few to receive our All I Want limited edition GLOSSYBOX, and we're here to answer your Christmas wishes. From ruby red lips to opulent oils, burnt toffee eyeshadow hues and intoxicating scents, these skincare, makeup and all-round glamorous Christmas essentials will help you spice up your beauty regime in a season of roaring fires, late nights and bright lights. 11 Christmas must-haves with a combined value of more than £140 are just waiting to be unwrapped. Whoa, gosh, right, okay, let's choose the first item. We have got, I'll take this outer wrapping off actually. So we have got a blank canvas cosmetics masked series palette 1, the art of perfection, and I can't open it, hold on. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's a really nice palette there. I've just seen the colours on the back, they look stunning. Oh wow, oh nice, they are all mattes, are they? Oh no, one like a shimmer. So gorgeous autumny winter shades there, some lovely oranges and coppers, and yeah, really nice. What's this lily? There, lily is the top one there. The reason I get excited when I see shades like that is because I am very particular about what sort of base shade I put on my eyelids, and I cover the whole of my eyelids in a base shade, but it has to be pale but not white. I don't like white because white can look too in your face, and definitely not a shimmer. It has to be a matte, but that is gorgeous. That looks quite nice. You're not going to be able to see that on camera. What's the brushes like? Because I've got a few blank canvas brushes. Oh, I like that one. That is soft, really soft. Then we've got more of a precision brush there. Really nice as well, because normally the brushes that you receive in the palettes are a bit, aren't they? Not all that great. This is obviously a full size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £30. Whoa, so this alone is just the cost of the box, isn't it? So it says, this palette of burnt toffee tones is perfect for warming up your eye looks this autumn. We love the Leven Velvetly Matte hues. The shimmering eye highlighter shade Goddess completes the palette. You'll also receive the best-selling vegan-friendly double-ended brush. So yeah, and I'm really impressed with that, and the brush as well. Right, next item, and there's two of them. So I'll take them both out. They're Kat Von D mini perfumes, and these are 5ml each. We've got Saint and we've got Sinner. I've had these before, a 1.5ml little spray thing, tester thing in a sample for unique samples. And yeah, no, they were nice. I think I preferred this one over this one. So that's the Saint and that's the Sinner. So the information says that these are deluxe minis, and it says these gorgeous sister scents can be worn alone or layered together. The Sinner is a dark, sultry and empowering fragrance with notes of vanilla, mandarin, mirabelle, plum. And the Saint is notes of mandarin, caramel, mirabelle, plum. Is a soft, alluring, dreamy scent that reminds Kat of falling in love for the very first time. For the deluxe minis, each of these cost £9. For the full size 100ml, it'll cost you £72. So there's two of those. Next we've got, what is this? Beauty BLVD Glitter Lips. Wow, Superior Lip Kit Ruby Slippers. Now I don't think I've ever seen this before. Beauty BLVD. I don't think I've seen it before, but that's what that looks like. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm going to try this on for you and for me. So ensure lips are dry and clean. Oh, they're not, they've got lipstick on. Keeping lips parted, apply the gloss. Allow gloss to turn clear. Apply one lip at a time. Generously apply glitter to lips using the applicator pad, ensuring an even coverage. Lightly dampen pad to help lift glitter. Dust off any excess. Remove with oil-based makeup remover. We've got a pot of gorgeous red glitter. We've got the whatever I just said, I can't remember now. And we've got an applicator brush as well. So that's the whole kit together. Glitter Lips Ruby Slippers. It's a full-size product and the recommended retail price is £12.50. Stand out for the crowd with Glitter Lips, a staple for your Christmas party. This glitter is waterproof, smudge-proof and lasts up to 8 hours. Whoa. Right, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to go off and take this lipstick off. Really pretty colour, really gorgeous colour, but I think I would go over that with like a red lip line just to make the outside a little just more even. But oh, I love it, absolutely love it. No, absolutely nothing on my hand, no transfer. Oh no, I love it. I love it. So that was our fourth item. The next item is black mascara, Lash Perfect with lash enhancer to lift and lengthen. Okay, an ultra black lash boosting mascara that is smudge proof and delivers lush, thick lashes for maximum lift and volume. All right, and this is by Lash Perfect. I've never heard of this brand before. There's a little information booklet. That's a bit new, isn't it? You don't normally get that with mascaras, but you got a little information, little leaflet in there. Ooh. Oh, nice wand, nice amount of mascara coming off there. Let's see if you can see. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Whoa, this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £23.95. This clever black mascara combines a lash enhancing serum with a high-quality mascara to increase your lash density by up to 35% within 6 weeks. Sweep through your lashes from root to tip, building up the product for a dramatic look. Wow. Oh no, that'd be interesting to see. So no, that's our fifth item, I think it is. Then we've got a brow power. What is this? By It Cosmetics. Universal Brow Pencil, like real hair, smudge proof, budge proof. Oh wow, okay. So this looks like possibly like a mini, maybe. On one end. Oh, lovely. And like a spoolie. So that's what that looks like there. So no, it's like a taupe colour. I'm making a mess of my hand there, hopefully you can see. So you can go from fair to quite dark by pressing a bit harder. I remember reading about this now. So yeah, so you can go a bit darker there. So this is a Deluxe Mini and the recommended retail price is £6.33. This award-winning eyebrow pencil helps to create defined, long-lasting and natural-looking brows. It cleverly adjusts to your hair colour based on the pressure you apply. I'm really, really excited to try this, and I think if I fall in love with it, then the price, £6.33 for this size, is a bargain, isn't it? It's really good. Next item we have had before, or I have had before, and I'm not sure in a glossy box, but definitely in a subscription box or an advent calendar last year. It's a Moroccan oil, and I believe it's for your hair. Yeah, it is. It's Moroccan oil treatment for all hair types, alcohol free in 25 mils. Really, really lovely packaging. So quite a big bottle there. So this is a Deluxe Mini and it will cost you £13.45, but for the full size 100ml it will cost you £31.85. An essential for many celebs, Moroccan oil is a hair care saviour rich in antioxidants, shine boosting vitamins and argan oil. It will transform your hair by detangling, speeding up drying time and boosting shine. So that's that item. Next we've got a, looks like a lipstick but it's not. Ooh, it's a liquid something. Dr. Dennis Gross. What a name! Apologies, Dr. Dennis, I don't mean to take the mick, but yeah, Dr. Dennis Gross, C+ collagen, brighten and firm vitamin C serum. Oh whoa, this sounds amazing. Unless it's Gross, I don't know, it could be Dr. Dennis Gross. Sounds more like it, doesn't it? So this is a 7ml facial serum. So that's what that looks like. Oh, this excites me. Feels gorgeous. Feels really, really nice. So no, really excited to try that. So this is a Deluxe Mini and the recommended retail price for this is £18.44. For the full size 30 mils would cost you £79. New York dermatologist Dr. Dennis Gross brings you this weightless, fast absorbing gel serum packed with vitamin C and collagen amino acids. You'll see an instant reflective brilliance to your skin as it works to reduce dullness, dark spots and lines. Massage 1 to 2 pumps onto your face, neck and décolletage once daily and follow with your favourite moisturiser. This is a peel off polish by Sensationail then. And I read about this, I remember this because this really excited me because it claims to come off super easy, you can peel it off. Now I love wearing glitter nail polishes, but oh my word, they are a flipping nightmare to get off. Really bad, and I end up trying to pick them and then it damages my nails then, so I get peeling on my nails. So I tend to steer away from them, and I've got some gorgeous ones like this on my lips, you know, red, proper glitter, stunning, but it just annoys me. So when I read about this in the press release, yeah, I was really excited. It's a nice gold colour. So perfect for this time of year. So this is a full-size item and it only costs £6. Wow. We all know how difficult glitter nails are to remove, but this award-winning polish has the answer. It glides on, dries in minutes and doesn't damage your nails. Best of all, it doesn't require nail polish remover. Just peel the polish off when you are ready for a change. I'm definitely going to be trying that out. Next item is our 10th item. It's a Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer and 15ml. I like primers, I always wear primers. That is really nice. It's going into my skin, it feels lovely on top of the serum. These hands will never give my age away with all the amount of beauty products I test on them. This is a Deluxe Mini and you can buy it for £11. For the full size 30ml it'll cost you £22. Never are we more in need of skin perfecting primer than in winter. Packed with Australian Kakadu plum, which is abundant in vitamin C along with antioxidant green tea, vitamin A and E. This little gem has a clever formulation that blends seamlessly into the skin. It also creates an even luminous base for makeup. The only thing it's missing is SPF. That'd be fab if it did. Oh my word. But you know, really happy to try that as well. And our last item, I love this, I've had this before, and it's Tropez and it's the Self Tan Purity Mousse, and it's a bronzing water mousse of 50ml. Again, this is like a Deluxe Mini. It's cost £7.75 if you wanted to try this size, or for the full size 200ml it'll cost you £31, so a big difference in price there. So a great option to buy a little one before you buy a big one maybe if you're a bit nervous. So vegan friendly and boasting a fresh tropical fragrance, this clear and hydrating water foam formula gives you a natural golden tan all year round with no need to rinse off, no transfer, no stickiness and no self-tan smell. You can simply apply and glow. Go. So those are all the items. Now I can't show you all individually because I need more hands, but whoa, there you go. But that's that's all the items in the box. It is jam-packed full of product. £25 for a subscriber, £30 for a non-subscriber. I think you've got some amazing products in there, really, really good products. I'm really excited to try the palette. I mean, that alone is £30 and oh, stunning, stunning, stunning. But yeah, some really different things like this glitter lips. I'm so happy that I got to try it. I've never tried anything like this before. Feels completely weird on my lips. Well, it says, doesn't it, lasts 8 hours, so I might still have it tomorrow morning. I'm blabbing. This video is going to be so long. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if this is a box that takes your fancy, or if you're buying it for yourself or buying it as a Christmas present for someone, or if you think that, yeah, it's good value for money, or it's not. You just think that there's better boxes out there. Whatever your opinion, I'm always interested to know. And as I said at the start, all information related to this box, discount codes, links, websites, everything you can think of related to GLOSSYBOX and what they're doing will be down below. So click on the show more and it'll be in the description. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.